Well, guys, hope you have a great weekend. Hey, man, hope you have a great weekend out there.
Good morning.
Good morning, man. Good morning.
How are we doing today?
Not too bad, man.
Very good, very good.
Very cool little boat. Yes, I like it.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem, man. Have fun.
We will, you too.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I have to cut those weeds down. All right, we got a Triton boat, Mercury 50, coming on in. Oh yeah, those guys on the Sea-Doo still messing around over there, trying to get it together. This guy's headed to this dock. The boat there already kind of taking the whole dock. He was trying to get up there, but he'll have to go to the side or something. Not sure what all is going on there. I guess they're getting the jackets out of there or something. I'm not sure. These guys could be together, maybe. Looks like the front boat's moving out. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's hot out here already, guys. Trailer in for that little boat that just come in. I think they're about out of there, guys. He got his passenger picked up. Boat coming in up there, getting ready to hit the ramp. Okay. Boat in there, guys, just made it. Getting ready to hit the old ramp. This guy's made his boat on, blasting it there a little bit. Right? Headed for the water there, so I guess they got it going there. Trailer out. Little boat making it down the ramp. Uh-oh, something must have fell off, I guess. Oh, he lost his thing again. I've seen that a few times. They're good to have on the trailer. Helps you watch where the trailer is. You got it all tied up there. Guy making it back with that thing. All right. Guys just getting on board here. They made it back. They'll be boogieing out of here before long. Maybe the lady's gonna drive it out. All right. Get it. The little boat on the right there, he's off. Another boat just come in over there. He's trying to get to the ramp. They put it in and pulled the boat back out. I don't know exactly why. Boat out there, guys. Yeah. I hope you guys can see this okay. I know I say that all the time, sorry. It's just that I can't hardly see it. But anyway, stay out. Hey, see you later. See, I couldn't even see that guy wave very good. I had to look up to see. I couldn't see him through the camera. It's too bright. All right, they on out, guys. Trying to get it going there. Little Milo back there. We're getting kind of hot, boy. I know. Whoops. You getting kind of hot, boy? I know, boy. All right, here comes the other passenger there. He's getting down the ramp. They be boogieing out. Hey, man! Very cool, guys. Right on, brother. Yeah. Boat out over here. These guys made it on board. Hey, man. A lot of nice people out here. There still is. A lot of nice people. Have fun, man. Have fun. Have fun. Have a lot of fun. Have fun.
What's your channel name?
Milo's New Adventure.
What?
Milo. New Adventure. Yeah. You know me. All right. See you later, man. Have fun. Have a lot of fun, guys. Oh, yeah. Stay on out, guys.
Well,
People coming for this boat here, I think. They're getting on board there. They'll be boogieing out of there. This guy's still trying to get his boat. No, it's running. This guy's just waiting there, I guess.
now or never.
Here, that guy. It's either now or never. Turn that little chair around.
I don't want to boat you.
fun. Have fun, man. Have fun. I didn't really hear what he said, but have fun. Sorry, I couldn't hear what he said. Stay on out, though. Stay on out.
Okay, maybe you're on. It's me.
I hope everybody's doing good out there today. Please like and subscribe if you would. I don't ever really think about saying that too much, but if you'd like to subscribe, like and subscribe if you would. All right, guys, they on out of here. Hey guys, hey guys. Very nice boat there, Mako.
I'm sugar.
Look at the doggy.
I'm sugar.
Yeah, hi, doggy.
See you later, buddy.
All right, man. You have a good day out there. Have fun. Have a lot of fun, man. Saying hi to little Milo up here. All right, they on out of here, guys. Have a great day out there. Have a great day. Make some memories, guys. Go out in life and make some memories. All right. Well, I think these guys here are about ready to boogie out of here. Boy, it's gotten kind of hot out here. It had to be pretty hot yesterday out here with all them people. He said, that Cito guy said that it went pretty good. There was really no arguing or anything, but bye-bye. I wave back at him. Stay on out of here, guys. Key West. Pontoon sliding in up there, guys. Oh, yeah. I think we'll call it before long, guys. Go back and get stuff done I gotta get done. All right. We're trying to get this on the ramp. All right, guys. He's in, guys. I think we'll call it right after this. Get done, or get back and get stuff done that I got to get done for tomorrow. Oh yeah. Gotta get that video done for you guys tomorrow, so hope everybody's doing good out there. I really do. Boy, this year's gone awful fast, hasn't it? This year's gone way too fast, that's for sure. Motor down. And up. You ready, Milo? You a little hot this morning? I'm trying to keep that sun out of his eyes. That's another thing. Those little dogs, their eyes can get hurt so easy, you know? He goes way back up into the car where it's in the shade up there, and I have the window curtains that the air blow through and stuff, so. That's a sea-doo sliding through there. Okay. All right, well, he's got it off the trailer. A white sea-doo. That's different. All right. Oh, wow. Here comes another boat and another pontoon coming in. We've seen him out here before. You can't forget that. That's crazy. Okay, they're getting out. All right, they're getting out there. I don't know if I've seen one all white like that before. Huh. Wow. Okay. Trailer out. Oh yeah. Putting the top up there. They're staying back in the campgrounds with that truck and trailer. He's just going back in there. Boat in there. That's a cool little boat. That looks like something that my brother and I would have did years ago. The boat we had, my brother painted it, and he put a big old foot on the side of it, and then he put the name on it. It's called barefooting, because we used to do a lot of water skiing, and my brother would water ski, all kinds of stuff. Barefoot, we did boards, you know, being pulled behind the boat, all kinds of stuff. So it was a lot of fun. But we named the boat Barefoot, and he put the painting on it. So, all right, they got this one in. That's way out in the parking lot. Pontoon trying to get in. I'm not sure what they're doing there. Trying to get it unhooked maybe, or something. That little boat is coming off the trailer. Another little boat in up there. Trailer out. Oh yeah, bring it in here.